In this guide, we're going over how you can use the gym here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and find that gym for you. If you just make your way down here close to character, you can go into the gym just like so, and it's going to look something like this. Now when you go to the gym itself, it does look like a normal training area with like equipment, but it actually doesn't do anything for your progression. You can't actually interact with any of these machines here, and you can't train stats here either. There's no system that really gives you rewards on any of these machines. It's just really in here for visuals. Now what you can do is go over to this AFK arena section right here, interact with this guy, and it's going to load you into the AFK arena where you can go ahead and get payouts just for sitting in here. This is really the only use in the gym itself, and it's going to tell you how long you have to sit in here, but every 100 seconds you're going to get some sort of yen. And to return, you just got to hit return just like so, and it's going to put you back in the main game. However, it's not going to load you back into the gym. It's going to load you back where the character spawn is. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.